guys! Hi mga ka-Will! Salam alaikum! I just want to congratulate Mel! Yahoo! Congratulations, Mel! She got her international professional driving license just today. And she is a golden chance. Ang lupet! Golden chance! Ayan, nakuha na namin and I'm so very excited and proud of her. Ayan, ang proof guys, na si Mel po ay isa na nating certified ka-wheels dito sa Abu Dhabi, UAE. And shout out sa kanyang BFF na laging nakasubaybay sa kanya at lagi nagpupush sa kanya na kaya mo yan, Mel. Ayan, thank you so much sa kanyang BFF. Kilala mo yan, Mel. Yan, secret. And guys, ayan ang proof pala na si Mel po ay isa na nating certified ka-wheels dito sa Abu Dhabi, UAE. And also, shout out nga pala kay Michael. Thank you so much, Boss Michael, sa iyong mga ni-refer katulad ni Mel. Napakarami mo nang ni-refer sa akin. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagtitiwala. Thank you so much talaga. Walang hanggang pasasalamat yan, Michael, kasi talagang ang dami mo nang ni-refer sa akin. Thank you so much. And also, congratulations and shout out nga pala kay Melvin na pumasa din as a beginner today, guys. Yan, si Melvin po ay isang beginner. Ang galing-galing na din niyang mag-drive. Sobrang proud ako sa kanila at sabay silang pumasa today. Ayan, medyo natagalan guys, sorry. At medyo natagalan yung ating mga ina-upload at mga estudyante na pumapasa kasi nagpahinga ako guys like 2 weeks na wala akong work kasi naghintay ako ng bagong sasakyan. Ayan. So eto, bago na tong sasakyan na to at napabless na rin at sila ang unang-unang mga naipasa ng aking bagong chikot. Yan guys. So sobrang proud ako sa kanila, sobra talaga. At sobra din akong happy para sa kanila guys. Please watch and learn guys how Mel got his license today. Ayan ang aming mga tips guys. Please watch and learn. God bless everyone. Shukran. Guys, hi mga ka-wheel. Assalamualaikum. Makaway naman dyan, madam. Yan.
Hello.
Hi guys, so tomorrow po ay road exam na ni Mel and hopefully she get it at first try guys. Si Mel ay isang golden chance. Tama no, Mel?
Yes po.
Yan, so okay na siyang mag-drive. He knows the rules of UAE so he can drive here safely and confidently. So Mel, baka meron kang gustong batiin?
Hello. Pinabati ko yung nasa Pinas.
Hello guys.
Relatives ko dyan. Nanay ko Andy dito. Good morning, good afternoon. Kamusta ma?
Yes.
Sana po mamamasa ako tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll pray for that.
Yes. And to my love, only one.
Yes.
I hope this is your gift if I passed.
Yes. So, si Mel is ready na guys to pass her road exam. So, wag ka lang kakabahan, Mel. Kita mo naman ngayon nagagawa mo sa practice. So, just do the same lang.
And then for my Lucy.
Yes, hello. So, guys, please watch and learn how Mel will get her license tomorrow. Yan. Wishing you good luck, Mel. Bye, everyone! Well, let's go. Yan, para na kami nag-exam, guys. Okay. Tama. Tama. Focus lang, men, ha? Focus. Stop emergency. Ang galing naman, nakapasa kami today. Oh, pass. Oh, anong gagawin after? Yan. Oh, pasado yun. Congrats! Ganun lang, focus lang, madam. Kay rebels na. Well, let's go. Yan, continue lang natin, guys. Yeah, that's good. Take the first right. Ay, thank you, Lord. Stop emergency. Yan. Oh, ayun, pasado yun, Mel. That's good, yes. Kita mo, nakakadalawa na tayo. Sunod-sunod lang, focus lang, ha? Ganun lang yan, pass yan. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, go to the left lane, Mel. Stop emergency. Pasado yun, Mel, ganun. Yes, that's right. Oh, pasado yun, congrats. Oh, thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord. Pass. Mel, let's go. Yan. Okay, Mel, please go to the left lane. Stop emergency. Yan, ipasa mo yung changing lane. Yan, that's good. Pasado yun. Yes. Oh, ayun, pasado yun, Mel. Congrats. Oh, 3 na yun. Ayos, very good. Well, let's go. Tama. Yan. So, walang signal muna, Mel. Yan, wala pa namang command. Yan. So, pag sinabing let's go lang, yan. Go to the left lane. Mamaya may lilipat. Nakikita mo to? O yan, ngayon pa lang kung kaya. Pag hindi naman at nakikita mong crowd, yan. Stop emergency. Tama. Yan. O, pasado yun. Very good, Mel. O, anong gagawin? Yan, that's good. Pas yun, Mel. That's it. That's good. You're welcome. Again, Mel, let's go. Yan. So, lahat ng possibilities na pwedeng gawin dito sa mall area, guys, is ginagawa na namin ni Mel. Kasi actually umuulan. Kapag umuulan kasi is depende yan sa area kung saan mag-i-stay yung mga officer, and exam niya bukas na. Go to the left lane. Yan. Kasi yung roundabout, pipiliin ko pa mamaya kung saan kami iikot, guys, kasi may tubig. Oo, may tubig yung roundabout. So mostly kapag tuloy ang exam nila, magi-stay sila mostly dito sa Dalma Mall. So kaya memorize namin mabuti yung Dalma Mall, kasi any possibilities dito pwedeng gawin kung anong ginagawa ni Mel ngayon. Yan, lahat is ginagawa ko na sa kanya. Galing. Stop emergency. Yan. Check mo yung mirror pa. Yan. Hanggat hindi ka natigil. Yan. Oh, pasado. Ang galing. Oh, sige. Anong gagawin after? Ayun, oh. Oh, pasado ulit, Mel. So, kasi umuulan ngayon, guys. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung roundabout na pwedeng ikutin nila tomorrow. Kasi, actually, may mga tubig talaga yung roundabout. So, let's see kung saan tayo dadaan. Yan. But mostly, but mostly kasi, pag ganyan, pag nakita nila na ang Dalma Mall yung free, just para mag-exam, baka mag-stay sila dito. So, i-check ko yung roundabout kung saan kami pwedeng umikot, guys. Otherwise, we have to go to MBC kasi ang exam niya is roundabout. Kasi pwedeng doon pumunta ang officer kung may tubig ang Musafa. Pupunta sila sa MBC kasi roundabout din naman yun at exam area yan nung araw. Yan yung mga possibilities area na pwede na lang lipatan just in case of this kind of situation kapag umuulan lang naman. Kasi nung araw napunta talaga sa MBC, kala mo ba? Minsan dito, then mag-highway sila, akit sila ng bridge, tapos diretso ng MBC. So let's see the roundabout kung saan tayo doon pwedeng umikot. Kasi early this morning, may tubig talaga yung highway. So dito talaga kami nagkaano kanina pa. Okay, check natin roundabout. Hi guys, it's me again. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you find it useful and helpful, baka naman, please like and subscribe guys. Thank you so much sa ating mga ka-wheels na patuloy na nanonood. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sobra kong pong na-appreciate yon para po safe tayong lahat na magmaneho sa road yan. Para masaya guys ang ating road trip. God bless everyone. Shukran.